Hey everyone, hope everyone is doing good. So I posted regarding that I will conduct a Q&A kind of stuff on the group, and so it will be regarding landing pages and conversion rate optimizations. If any questions you have, and we have got quite a few questions, and those questions are important for everyone right here because they in their life. If you're a marketer, you would definitely generate customers using landing pages, or you have to do CRO to make your landing pages better. So we have around 8 questions, and we'll begin with the first one, which is from Himanshu. So Himanshu asks, landing page builder for beginners. So hey Himanshu, thank you for asking a question. And so I would say that if you are already experienced in WordPress, or you're already into the WordPress dashboard, so you must be aware about Elementor and Thrive Architect. Segmentor is a free plugin and also has a pro version for it. And so you can use that. It's a great tool. I think it's rated one of the best tools in the world to build a landing page in WordPress. And second one is Thrive Architect. Thrive is one of the companies which I use personally for my uh, website, which is currentparvani.com, and it's going good. It's quite a amazing tool to build a landing page, and I think these two you can use. Hive Architect comes out with a single website package which costs around $67 for one website. It costs around $97 for a 5 website pack, and it has a $19 per month paid annual membership, in which it includes all the tools which it has, and it can go up to 25 websites. So these are the two tools which you can use as a beginner. And of course, I recommend you go outside and use ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or InstaPage to build more professional, and they have a lot more features like integrations with other platforms to make your automations and workflows and do an effective marketing. So you can also try that out. Otherwise, these are the best ones as a beginner if you have to start it out and practice your whatever you're doing. So the second question comes up from Satya Raju. He asks best converting colors for landing pages. So thank you Satya for asking a question. So what he meant by is, I mean, doing a CRO or conversion rate optimization and testing it out, which color is suiting well to the website or the landing page. So Satya, so it depends upon whom you're marketing to. If you're marketing to women, so they have more tendency towards lighter colors like pink and not much darker brighter colors, and men have more towards brighter colors. It's red, or it's dark brown, or green. It's very dark green. So you can test the background. I'm not talking about the call to action, but the background of the website or the text or the fonts. So you can test it out with that. You have, for example, if you're targeting someone who is a foodie, you can use red color like McDonald's has. So just copy that variation which they have, because they've already tested for themselves. McDonald's have, Burger King have, so you can test out the combination of them and see what works well. Next is for call to action buttons. Definitely, I would suggest you to go with green, because green is a more positive and action taking element. People definitely, they press the button and go and buy. So it has been proven. We have run tests ourselves where we tested the color indigo with green, and green, of course, perform well because it also has a psychological thing attached that makes a person more peace, and he takes action faster. And with he is thinking, and after that taking thinking he takes the action. So you can test it out. There's also one, I think, brown, or which Flipkart does. They have yellow color and a brown color combination where they tested buy now and that particular add to cart, and then I think they got good results with that. So you can try out with that. Another thing is, you know then you can always change the background image and test it out which color is working good. According to me, these are the primary things which you should test, and see what results you're getting. Definitely you would get good results when you test it out, because I said in my today's post, or yesterday's post, sorry, that testing is what will make you successful. So go and test it out which color is working good. um, we move forward. Okay, so the third question is from Muhammad Javed. He asks that top 5 CRO injections for converting landing page. Thank you, Mohammed, for asking the question. And my first injection would be the title or the headline. That's the first thing which a visitor does, and then he scrolls down. Then he decides to scroll down if he wants to. So make sure that you have a catchy headline which shows that whatever you have promised it would happen, problem and then the solution. You can figure it out. What you're providing, it depends upon your product or service which you are giving. So make sure that you have that, make it compulsory thing to hire a copywriter to create landing pages, because they have a lot of information. They have already done things in the past and they know as to what thing works and what doesn't, so it also saves you time. Second is creating urgency. um, I would say second injection would be urgency. Yes, because urgency is what human beings, they don't like. That if they miss out, the fear of missing out, FOMO, right? They tag it as. So you can install a timer that to show that these number of hours are left or these number of days are left for the offer to end. So that would create urgency and they would be buying more. So we have tested this with one of our customers, in which we had an email with, I'm talking with the context of a timer or an urgency, and we tested if a person buys it within the time frame. So definitely the email which won was the one which had the timer. So make sure that you have the timer installed, or you have if you sell a product, so you have that one left is going out of stock. Like Amazon does, it says out of stock, or it says Q1 is remaining, order soon, so you don't miss out. So do that. This is the second injection. The third injection would be testimonial social proof. It's one of the biggest one you can install. So I would recommend to have video testimonials than having written testimonials. You can have both, but the preference would be given to video testimonials because that is more engaging. Of course, people engage on videos, they see it, and then they trust that a bit more. And add a call to action button below your testimonials and test it out as to which one is working better. So it would give you an idea if the customer is converting on that particular button, or converting seeing that particular video or not. Fourth one is not including, I'm saying not including any other a profile, your social media profiles or any other page. Don't include that because that is a distraction. All right, that's the fourth injection of not including any other pages of a website. Don't do that, otherwise they will be distracted, and once they go and visit the another page, your primary objective of bringing him to your landing page ends there itself. So don't do that, and make sure that you're sticking to one thing and you don't get them drive away from your objective, which is to convert them. All right. um, I would say the fifth injection would be to have an A/B testing mindset, or install a heat map tool. um, I installed one heat map tool for one of our customers, and why we did that, because we saw that there were no conversions. There was zero conversion, and when we did the testing, because we were in testing phase, so we did that and we saw that there was a glitch. The one function wasn't working properly. That's why there were no conversions. So we changed that. We installed Hotjar. So Hotjar told us as to where the problems are, and then we corrected it, and it made like a huge change onto the page, and then the visitors converted into leads and sales. So that's what you have to do. You have to inject a code of tracking heat map to that, and write good copy, write compelling copy which engages and hooks the user. Have a good offer. Have a good offer. Sixth one, a bonus one for you. Have a good offer. Having a free thing help converts more, but have a tripwire, like get into this account for $1. That's a good offer, right? So people convert on the particular thing. So try it out. These are 5 to 6 injections which you can, take it away. The fourth question is from Goutham Bhat. He asks best conversion tip for landing pages. Gautam, I already answered that from Mohammed Javed, so you can just refer to that particular question. So type top 5 CRO injections, and I think if adding 1 to 2 more, it would be to test the colors of the page, test which color is working better. If you find that, again, doing A/B testing, that's what I say. You have to become a scientist and test which thing is working better. If I have to talk about another conversion tip, I would be saying to add a video. If you have a product, add a video for it, because video works better, people engage. So don't just write text, right? We add videos. If you have a pricing page, then you should have that recommended thing which it says recommended by your company. So that is a psychological thing that helps you convert more people. Or if you are selling, if you sell products, so always have that $99 or $29, $39, and not the $40 or $30, because it's proven that we people buy $29 item because they feel that they're not buying the $30 item. So again, it's a psychological thing. So try it out and just refer to the Muhammad's answer. You would get your particular question answered. All right. Thank you for asking that particular question. Um, Moving to the fifth question asked by Ganesh Kumar. So Ganesh asked that um, landing page samples at work. I have seen several people saying that they had very high conversion, but the landing page looked very unprofessional. So I want to know if the landing page is the thing that actually turn the tables, or it's the offer plus reputation. Ganesh, thank you for asking the question. So I would say that definitely offer is a thing which converts. There's nothing. I mean, I've seen horrible landing pages that convert crazy. If you know Alex Becker, he's one of the top marketeers on the internet. See, he had a an opt-in page where he was giving a cheat sheet. That was a horrible landing page you'd ever see in your life, and it converted at 40%. Yes, so take that in for a second. 40% is a huge conversion rate, 30 to 40%, because the offer was good. He wrote a good headline which hooked the user and eventually converted. So there's no compulsion of having a good design perfected landing page. It doesn't work. Your offer, how you communicate to the customer, if he is engaged with the content, that matters. So go and try it out, test it out. You create one landing page which is very good, and with your good offer. All right, and the landing page B, create one where you just have a good offer and you don't focus much on the perfection and the being it more flashy. So test it out, do an A/B test, see which works out for you, and you would get to know as to what you have to go forward with. All right, thank you for asking the question, Ganesh. So now we move forward to the sixth question, which is asked by Subhankar Bhaduri. And Subhankar asks, which is the best landing page builder without coding? Subhankar, so like, you can go with anything. Drag and drop builders are there. Go with InstaPage, ClickFunnels, Elite Pages, Unbounce. So there are many options which are there. They have very good templates, drag and drop, and easy to make, good integrations, good conversion rates. So go with them. I mean, you will find a lot in the market, and try it out. All right. Thank you for asking the question. Moving forward, we have a question by Gaurav. He asked how to make landing page to sell affiliate online course and same product to get leads and conversions. All right. So Gaurav, to sell an affiliate thing, first you need to educate your audience. For example, if you're running Facebook ad and you need to have a bridge page in which you give something to them for free, or you educate your audience about what product are you going to advertise, or which product are you an affiliate for. So we have to tell them a story, right? How they will be convinced to buy the product from the original sales page which you have. So create a bridge page and create a video. If you have a physical copy, or sorry, physical kind of, yeah, if you can say copy, um, of product, showcase its features, and then add the purchase link, the affiliate link which you have, and then send the visitor there, and then some product. Yeah, so this is the way to get leads and conversions. And Gaurav Madan has told the strategy, and a lot of affiliate marketeers, Russell Brunson talks about it. If you The best way to sell an affiliate via landing page is one to create a bridge page and educate him, or sell him and a lead magnet, sell something for free which is related to the product which you are promoting as an affiliate, and then automate your email sequences, send him the emails, educate him more, and then finally promote the product which you are an affiliate for. For example, if in health niche and you have a nutrition product, So talk about the benefits of taking nutrition products. Simple. Sell it as an ebook. I'm gonna give it away for free, and then run your email sequences in which you're providing value each and every day, and eventually lead them to the conversion of the product. For example, if it's saying nutrition, then send them case studies as to how customers benefited from the product which you're promoting. So that would definitely increase the trust level, and then you would get more conversions. That's how you can do it. Okay, thank you for asking the question. Moving forward to the last question, which we have from Jafar Mayer. I don't know how to pronounce the surname. What should users expect to see on a landing page that will make a memorable impression? Story. All right, your answer is a good story that they should relate to. Otherwise, everything is your component call to action timer. But the thing which will make a memorable impression is how did you promote the product? How did you showcase the solution which they're looking for? You know, they should be connected to your problem. As I think Russell Brunson, if we have read .com Secrets, so he talks about that you should put your story there as you were fat. So as they've showcased on advertised products, right? That I was fat and then I took this solution and then my life changed. So that will create a memorable impression. Have a story behind what you do, why you do. So that is the only one thing which will they connect with, and then they read your rest of the content and eventually buy if they feel like. So do that, and it will be an effective thing. Hire a copywriter, or if you know copywriting, do it. Test it out again. Write 3 stories and send the traffic and check which one is working good, and then identify. Okay, I think we're done for the day. And if I didn't answer your questions, don't feel bad or don't feel sad. I will take it up in the next session. And first of all, thank you for engaging and asking questions, because, of course, this 8 questions can help a lot of people who would definitely see this. And if it helped you, thank you. And you can comment on if you have additional questions. I would definitely put the resources which I mentioned during my video. And if you can go and sign up, you can sign up and take the pricing, take the particular thing. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video, and if you found it useful, you can share it with other people. And I love my community. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Okay, bye. Take care.